my name is Queen Yanamarie H. Budota, and today I'm going to be presenting my project in science, which is using eggplant peel indicator to identify acid, bases, and neutral substances. Before I start, our objective for this experiment is to prepare a neutral indicator from eggplant peels, formulate a hypothesis based on prior knowledge, follow the steps of the scientific method during an investigation, observe and record changes in different household substances, classify substances as acid bases or neutral based on evidence, and draw conclusions supported by experimental data. So, can you pause for a second?
Diretso na, ikaw na bahala mag-edit.
Okay. So I would like to introduce first our gathered materials and our different household substances. First material is a medium eggplant, a bowl, a strainer, and our pot, and our 1 cup of water. And for our household substances, we have vinegar, tap water, salt solution, soft drink, which is specifically Sprite, sugar solution, but it's from brown sugar, coffee, calamansi juice, and lemon juice. So that's all of our household materials that I've shown you. For the first step, we have to peel the purple skin of the eggplant. So now we have our purple peels, and the next step is
Lakasan.
so now that we have our purple peels, we have to cut them up into small pieces. So now that we have our peels cut into small pieces, we have to put it in the pot. And add 1 cup of water to the pot. And after that, we have to boil this for about 10 to 15 minutes. I'll be right back. So now that our indicator has finally cooled off, this is what it looks like. It's kind of a brownish or greenish color. And I assume that maybe it's normal. So first off, we're going to try it with our toothpaste solution. And I'm predicting that this is a base. So 1 tablespoon. See, it looks like it turned into a darkish color. As you can see, it turned sort of darkish, like a darkish white. So, it's the same color, but I assume it's maybe because of the white. Next, we have our dishwashing solution. So, we'll add 1 tablespoon. My prediction is that it's also a base, because a base is usually used for cleaning materials. So as you can see, it kind of turned into greenish. It went from golden yellow to sort of greenish. It changed. That's the reaction of our dishwashing. I think this might be a base. Next, we have our soap solution, which is also white like our toothpaste. And my prediction for this is also a base. So let's add 1 tablespoon and let's see the reaction. So clearly, as we can observe, it also had the same reaction as the toothpaste. It turned into a brownish, yellowish color. I'm guessing this is the reaction of the base. It turns into maybe a brownish color, maybe greenish, I think, sort of. It does look like greenish to me. Next, we have our coffee. And I'm guessing this is maybe a acidic solution because I've learned that it is. So let's see how acid solutions like coffee react to our indicator here. And since coffee has a dark brownish color, we can't assume that the same reaction will happen to other base solutions. I think the color lightened because it looks different. Obviously, it looks different from the original color. Since I learned that this is an acid, maybe we can assume that acids can turn light when mixed with the eggplant indicator. But since the coffee is brownish, unlike other acids, we can't really assume. So let's test it out on another acid, calamansi Ace, and see how it will react. As you can see, it turns sort of a pinkish color. That happens when it's mixed with calamansi, which is an acid. So let's test it out on another acid, which is lemon juice. Let's add 1 tablespoon and see how it works. So since calamansi and lemon are quite similar because they have citrus, it looks like it has similar reactions to our calamansi juice. Up next is we have our our normal tap water, which only has tap water, so it's just clear. Since I feel like it's just a neutral solution, because it doesn't really have anything in it. So it doesn't really have a reaction, it just changes colors because we added the indicator to it. It sort of changes to the color of the indicator, which is sort of a brownish, greenish. Up next is we have our vinegar over here, and it's different from water because it has sort of like maybe an acid component. So I'm guessing this is also an acid. And as you can see here, it did kind of turn pink. Maybe it's because it's an acid solution and it's different from the water. Even though despite it being clear, it turned pink. As you can see, this is the vinegar and this is the tap water. And the color clearly is different here. This one turns a bit pinkish, this one is greenish. Next is we have our salt solution, which is tap water mixed with salt.
So what do you expect?
This might also be neutral, because neutrals are also called salts.
Neutral na. Pareho lang sa water.
Yeah, it's also the same as our water because it's a neutral. It's sort of greenish. Here's a comparison to both of them. I'm assuming that since we finished testing it on different solutions, the acids, bases, and neutrals, I think that the bases, they turn sort of brownish because they're bases. Like here, in the dishwashing, it sort of turned greenish, but I can also see a hint of brown. Also here in the toothpaste, it sort of has a brownish color, but I'm not also sure since it has some white color. And for our acids, they clearly turn pinkish. This means that our indicator works for the acids because they turn pink. They have a very different reaction from the acids and neutrals, like here in the lemon. And up next is we have sugar solution, but I used brown sugar here, which I think might change the effect since I might be supposed to use white sugar, but still, let's test it out.
Manahin mo.
As you can see, honestly, I don't notice the difference. Maybe it shifted in color.
Lighter.
Maybe it turned lighter, but I can also see some hints of green. Because this solution is brown, so I might not be able to tell, but I can see some hints of green. I think that's the effect of a neutral solution. And last but not least, we have our soft drink, which is specifically Sprite, and I've been taught that this is a acid. So let's see if it has the same reaction as our acids or other acids like lemon and calamansi. So there, I might need to pour more because we still have some few. And as you might expect, it did turn into a pinkish sort of color. Let's compare it to the others. Let's see, our vinegar, where's our vinegar?
Yan.
See, it sort of looks like vinegar because they have a slight change, but they still have that pinkish color in them. That's what I have observed. So, my conclusion is here, from what I've observed in the data that I have collected, the bases, they turn sort of brownish color, brownish or greenish color, and for the neutral, they turn into the color of the indicator, and that's because they don't really have any reaction to them because they're neutral. They're the in between of acid and bases. So that's why it turns greenish, like our indicator, like the color of our indicator. And there's definitely a lot of change for our acid here, as you can see from what I've observed, since I've tried it like 3 or more times with our acids here, with our acid components. They clearly turn into a pinkish color. I've researched that it might turn purple, but from what I can see here, it turns pink. So that is what I've observed. I've learned that you can use our eggplant, you can find the eggplant as indicators. It's very easy to make them actually, and there's a very different reaction for each type of solution, each household components. So that is all. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening with me. This is Queen Yana Marie presenting. Bye!